my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers
my brothers
and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and
and I am
proud
proud of
its rich
its rich
and very heritage,
and very heritage.
Robert style
As a always try
to office
to profit
and my parents,
to respect my parents,
teachers
teachers,
and elders.
and elders.
30th everyone,
Treat everyone
big courtesy
with courtesy.
to my country
To my country
and my people
and my people,
and pray my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
Indian Bhelvi
In their well-being
and God PATHSHALA
and prosperity along
life my happiness.
lies my happiness.
खत्म हो जल्दी आइए ना दीजिए
Thank you, ma'am.